Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video from the Looney Ballooney Learning Centre. My name is Tess, and for this video we are going to talk about orbs. I don't know about you, but it is a little bit of a pet peeve for me when I see these wonderful balloon pictures out there of amazing work and the orbs are not filled to capacity and they have the little lines on them. It really takes away from your beautiful work. So let's make sure you understand how to blow one of these guys up properly. All right, this is a marble colored one that I have that I thought would look really cute with the base we made in our basic base video. And here we go. This is made by Anagram, makes the Orbz, O-R-B-Z, or Z if you're in the States. And it comes with an instructional that no one ever seems to read. You do not want to see the lines from the side, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So we take and we recycle all of our packaging. I hope you do too. And this is the Orbz as it comes out of the package. You can see it's not proper size because inside these seams is more foils. Okay, you're gonna see it open up here for us. We have the nozzle and the valve in there, and we are going to use our electric pump to blow this one up. It would be very difficult to blow one up by hand. Difficult, but not impossible. I tend to do 90% with this and finish with this, all right? If you're worried about it blowing up in your face, I've had that happen. I highly suggest you do that once so that you know the limits, okay? Here we go. Okay, at this point you can see it's starting to open the seam. Hear it again, it pops open. Sometimes it sounds like the whole balloon is popping. It's not, it's just opening those seams for the extra flap. Now, a lot of y'all out there are leaving them out like this. Please, please, for the love of God, please don't do that. You have to keep going, okay? You can see it's very square. Now, you can see I've blown it up. I have the majority of those lines gone. I've done this enough. I could continue to fill it with the pump because I know when to pull it off, but I want to show you that don't have as much experience, sorry, tongue-tied today, how to finish it up by hand so you don't lose the balloon, okay? So keep an eye on those lines. And there we go. That is the correct way to blow up an Orbz. All right. Thank you so very much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm always happy to answer. I hope this helped in your ballooning learning, and I hope you enjoy ballooning it yourself.